In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your phone number on Robinhood using your PC. Keeping your contact information up to date is important for the security of your account and to make sure you receive important notifications from Robinhood in a timely manner. Whether you've recently changed your phone number or just want to make sure your information is current, I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser and go to the official Robinhood website. Once you've reached the home page, sign into your Robinhood account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before you proceed, as these changes will affect your personal information. After you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the account icon. This might look like a small human silhouette or your profile image. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. The Settings page is where you manage all your account details. Within the Settings menu, you'll see multiple options related to your personal information and security. Click on the section labeled Personal Information. This will open up a page where you can view and update your name, email address, and phone number. Now, find and click on the field labeled Phone Number. This is the information you'll be updating today. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Take a moment to double check the number before you move forward. Entering the wrong number may cause issues with receiving verification codes and notifications. After entering your new phone number, look for the Save button and click it to confirm your changes. Robinhood takes account security seriously, so before your new phone number is officially updated, you'll need to verify your identity. At this stage, Robinhood will automatically send a verification code to the new phone number you just entered. Retrieve your phone, open your text messages, and look for a message containing the verification code. If you don't receive it right away, wait a minute or two and make sure your phone has service. Enter the code into the prompt on your screen exactly as you received it. Once you've entered the correct code, your new phone number will be saved to your Robinhood account. That's all there is to it. Remember, keeping your contact details up to date helps you stay informed about your account activity and enhances your account security. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides.